What if your biggest fear wasn't what is out there, but what your ancestors have kept hidden? Another spine-tingling thriller is here, and Bimbo Ademoye is stepping into a territory you've never seen her in just yet. This is a plot prediction and trailer breakdown of the movie Ewo and why this might just be Nollywood's boldest story of 2025.
Home is a feeling, and other days it is the space between fingers.
Just as the title implies, Ewo, which means forbidden. In Ewo, Bimbo's character returns to a village or inherits something from a deceased elder. But in trying to modernize or uncover or reject old customs, a shop breaks into a long-standing taboo. That act opens the door to shame, secrets, and spiritual backlash. There's a forbidden ritual that her family participated in. Now, the consequences are catching up on her. But then, Demola Adedoyin, her love interest, finds himself in the middle of all of this as he must choose between the one he loves and tradition. We hear him ask the gods why they would bring her his way only to take her away again. Just when Bimbo thinks she's out, the real forbidden truth reveals itself. In under 60 seconds of the trailer, we get flashes of ancient rites, emotional tension, mysterious glances, and heavy silence. Bimbo Ademoye, whom we know for her versatility in both drama and comedy, seems to be entering a darker and a more emotionally charged role. The visuals are rich in the movie Ewo in traditional symbolism. If Ewo delivers on what it's teasing in its trailer, then we are in for one of Nollywood's most suspenseful, culturally rooted thrillers of the year. With a stellar cast of Bimbo Ademoye, Demola Adedoyin, Tina Imba, Akin Williams, Taiwo Hassan, Jaiye Kuti, Kunle Coker, amongst other exceptional actors, you just know that this is a must watch. This isn't just a thriller, it's psychological, spiritual, and generational. It's a type of story that makes you question how much of our culture protects us. Ewo is coming to cinemas on the 18th July 2025. Watch out for Ewo, and damn, you would love it. Tell me what you think about the predictions and what your expectations are for the movie. Would you be going to see it? And yes, please watch other videos on this platform. What is your most anticipated movie of the year? Drop it in the comment section and we definitely will get interactive. The name still remains Mami Amnapukia. Please watch other videos on this platform. Do like this video, share, and kindly subscribe to this channel. Catch you in the next. Until next time, see you when I see you. Screw.